On the night of April 25th, 2026, Russia launched 660 drones and missiles at Ukraine in a single wave. Many of those drones no longer rely on GPS. They navigate using onboard AI that recognizes terrain by sight, making them immune to traditional jamming. A $400 drone is now routinely destroying a $4 million armored vehicle. That ratio alone is rewriting the economics of war. But the drones are just the beginning. AI is changing who fights, how decisions are made, and whether a human is even involved. Let's decode it. The first way AI rewrites war is the simplest. It sees everything. Project Maven proved machine learning could process footage at an incredible scale. It reduces target identification from hours to seconds. By 2026, AI-powered systems fuse imagery, video, and signals into a single, real-time picture. A human analyst might take 6 hours to review a day's drone footage. AI does it in seconds, and it never gets tired, never misses a shift. The fog of war hasn't been lifted, but it's thinning fast. Next is the drone revolution. Ukraine has become a live-fire testing ground for AI-enabled combat. They produce up to 300,000 drones per month from hundreds of manufacturers. These aren't toys. The latest generation uses computer vision to autonomously identify and track targets after launch. No human guidance needed. The next step is swarms, coordinated groups managed by AI, handling formation, target allocation, and gap filling when individual drones are destroyed. One engineer described the future simply, swarms of autonomous drones carrying other drones to protect them against drones trying to intercept them. The second transformation is speed. The kill chain, the process from detecting a target to striking it, used to take hours or days. AI compresses that entire process to minutes or seconds. Detection, identification, targeting solution, all automated. The only step that still requires a human is the decision to fire. But when the chain runs in seconds, how long before approval becomes a rubber stamp? The third front isn't physical. AI-powered cyber attacks can target power grids and military communications at machine speed. The information front may be more dangerous. AI now generates synthetic propaganda and fabricated reports convincing enough to confuse even analysts. The most effective future attack might not destroy a building. It might convince a population their leader already surrendered. AI inverts the economics of war. A $400 drone destroying a $4 million tank is a 1 to 10,000 cost ratio. Scale and expendability now win. The nation that can produce 10,000 drones a month may have more military relevance than one built around a handful of warships it can't afford to lose. This is where technology outpaces ethics. If an AI system autonomously targets a school bus instead of a tank, who's responsible? The UN has been pushing for regulations, but they haven't kept pace. The systems are already on the battlefield. Intelligence is fast, but wisdom is slow. AI is rewriting war in 5 dimensions: intelligence, autonomous weapons, decision speed, cyber operations, and battlefield economics. The only question that matters now isn't what AI can do in war. It's who keeps their hand on the off switch.